In order to start installing Qclick software from our website, click on your desktop. At the top of your screen, you will see the tab labeled Go. Click this and select Connect to Server from the drop-down menu. In the server address box in the window, type in ftp://como08.point2.us. Then press Connect. Another window will appear that will ask you to log in, but you will only need to select Guest, then press Connect. After you have done this, you will see a few folders appear in a window. Double-click on the Qclick folder to open it. Once you are in the Qclick folder, find the Qclick_3.0.0.2_allmodels.zip file. Double-click this file for it to start downloading. Once it is finished, you will see the file in your Downloads folder. Open the Downloads folder and click on the Install wizard. This will open the Qclick installer window. There are 3 parts that need to be installed: Qclick, MySQL, and the drivers. When you are ready to start installing, click Next and follow each prompt on the screen. After your Qclick is installed, you should be able to find it in your Applications folder. Please make sure to continue on and watch our next video in order to learn how to efficiently use your Qclick system.